Hello, everyone, and welcome to the NAP 2019 Forum webinar. We are so excited to provide this information with you, and you're not going to want to miss the 2019 NAP Forum. Joining me on this webinar are the following presenters. I am Michelle Trosit from the Nursing Academy, and I am NAP's president.
I'm Jody Frost from the Physical Therapy Academy, and I'm currently NAP's president-elect.
I'm Caroline Goulet from the Physical Therapy Academy, a co-chair of this year forum.
And I'm Joanne Wisely from the Speech Pathology Academy and the other co-chair for this year's forum.
So we're going to start out with providing you an overview of the highlights of today's webinar. We are going to be covering the fact that we're going to Capitol Hill this March. We will be talking about new member orientation, keynote speakers, our breakout speakers and breakout sessions, our networking lunch. We have many posters, and we have a sponsorship this year that has surpassed every year, so we're excited to tell you about that. We'll have academy meetings. We're going to be giving an update on the annual business and luncheon meeting, our membership reception, and our photos of each academy, along with the membership banquet and induction ceremony.
For some of the highlights of this year's forum, NAP members are invited to join us on Thursday, March 7th, from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. for an interprofessional advocacy day. You don't want to miss the interactive day of NAP member advocacy, engagement including a breakfast briefing, Capitol Hill visits, an advocacy symposium, and a Hill visit debriefing session and roundtable discussion. This year's forum title is Interprofessional Collaborative Practice, Advocacy for Population Health. The three forum themes for this year are advocacy for interprofessional collaboration, interprofessional practice models for population health, and person-centered quality health care. We have 26 peer-reviewed and invited educational presentations, as well as 46 poster presentations. Each attendee will have the opportunity to choose a personal interest ribbon on site to encourage attendee networking. We will also be having a connections card to allow attendees to connect with exhibitors, vendors, and poster presenters.
Will not want to miss the outstanding keynote speakers lined up for this year's forum. Friday morning, Rear Admiral Susan Ortega, a nurse, will open the forum addressing interprofessional practice models for population health. Dr. Manik Shabra will kick off our Saturday morning keynote session, speaking on advocacy for interprofessional collaboration. And lastly, Saturday afternoon, Vicki Schmidt will be closing the forum with her keynote about person-centered quality healthcare from a patient perspective.
For this year's forum, we are most fortunate to have great support from 13 sponsors, 5 of whom are new sponsors for NAP this year. These sponsors include the American Academy of Audiology, American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy, American Psychological Association, American Occupational Therapy Association, EBSCO Health Education Management Solutions, EHR Go, Midwest Interprofessional Practice Education and Research Center, Missing Logic, National Center for Interprofessional Practice and Education, Samford University, the Bonnie Wesserick Center for Healthcare Transformation, and the Ohio State University College of Nursing, Helene Fuld Institute for Evidence-Based Practice in Nursing and Healthcare. You will have an opportunity to personally meet with each of these sponsors during several unopposed exhibit hours and really will not want to miss this session.
Regarding continuing education, NAP is submitting for continuing education credits for the following 8 professions: audiology, medicine, nursing, occupational therapy, pharmacy, psychology, physical therapy, and speech-language pathology.
We will be inducting the NAP class of 2019 during the induction ceremony. The class of 2019 exists of 82 distinguished fellows, one affiliate member, and 6 professional members. Be there to welcome and personally congratulate each of them. We will also be leveraging social media for our NAP 2019 forum. We will be using our official NAP hashtag, #NapForum2019. And if you are not already following NAP on Twitter, please do so. Our Twitter handle is @NapPractice. And if any of you would like personal lessons on starting a Twitter account, we would be glad to help you. Just let Ashley Peters know and we'll get something set up. As you can see from the next slide, a lot of fun was had last year with our social media, where we had postings from several new members celebrating their induction. And we even had a post from one of our keynote speakers who was really amazed by the National Academies of Practice Forum and all the professions that she was able to interact with. This year, like last year, we will also be using Simplar, which tracks social media of healthcare specific conferences. And last year, we had, well, it was the first year we did it, but we were very impressed with the amount of social media that we were able to share at the forum. Through the Simplar methodology, we're able to track the top 10 mentions, the top 10 tweets, and healthcare social graph scores of those that contributed to the overall social media sharing during the NAP forum. So ultimately, we touched close to 500,000 people through the Twitter activity.
Thanks to the Forum Planning Committee. It really does take a village. The Planning Committee consists of the following subcommittees: the Educational Abstract, Conference Evaluation, Hill Visits, Keynote Speakers, Networking, and Sponsorship subcommittees. Thank you all for your hard work in planning this year's conference. Special thanks to our VP of Public Policy, the VP of Professional Development, and the individuals who are coordinating continuing education units and the Advocacy 101, 201, and 301 webinars.
So that's it for our webinar. We are so excited to see each of you there. You're not going to want to miss it. And I also want to thank all of our panel members so we could bring a sneak peek to all of you today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in Washington, Pentagon City.